more balanced bob versus not much angle, because we decided to grow her hair, frontal hair. So I have done maybe 2,000 of these haircuts in my hairdressing career. And when we had the consultation, I explained to her what we're going to do. She said she loves me.
I do. Who needs the master?
Come closer. What did you say, my dear?
He's the master.
Thank you very much.
Artist.
I appreciate it. So it takes a quality client that understands their quality hair designers. I'm not cutting hair. I'm not styling hair. I am designing hair. That's why my hairstyle is called designers. I'm not a hair cutter. You know, oftentimes I meet people this way. They say, I'm a hair cutter. I'm like, really? Oh, okay. Hair cutter. Well, good luck. Because you're not going to be cutting my hair. So being her silhouette and her height and all, a heavy hair puts more weight on her shoulder. That actually shrinks her silhouette down. The idea is to minimize the hair style that works against the person's features. That's where I come in. That's why I call myself designer. It's not just a talk, it's an action. Action talks, whatever else works. And this is right here. I got this 1994 Vidal Sassoon Academy, London, England. This is my pouch. And my buddy Dave, Trio shoe company in Bucket. So we are creating this incredible hairstyle for this gorgeous lady. Having a wonderful Sunday. Sunday is fun day because I was so honored, blessed, and incredibly thrilled to be part of an incredibly amazing journey of Valley of the Scottish Rites of Atlanta. So I joined. We have another whole Saturday to go on the 21st, and I'm looking forward to it. And I met so many unbelievable brothers and so much lectures. I was incredibly blown away by our Grandmaster Poston. He's amazing.
I have to move my legs.
No worries, my sweetheart. You want my jumping rope too? I got
No,
you.
I had to move my legs to getting
Yeah. You have me to cheat. Don't worry, I have a chair if you want to sit down. If you want to sit down, let me know.
Is it okay with you?
Yes, please, let's sit down.
Oh, there's Tito.
Alright guys, stay in front, no worries. So anyways guys, I'm right here, come closer for me, right here.
Why are we outside?
You can leave it down. We are creating now, remember, hairdressing is an artistry, it's a craft. It's not just cutting hair, ladies and gentlemen. The most challenging haircut in the world is the bob, B-O-B. Bob haircut is weakens you or strengthens you, your creativity, or you lose the love for hairdressing, because if you can do amazing bob, you can do a lot of beautiful haircuts. The bob is the fundamental of an incredible, come this way please, this way. It's a fundamental of an incredible haircut, because if you can do bob haircut, this is where you precisely improve your skills. Why is that? Because you pretty much incorporate every haircutting technique on a bob haircut. You know, the angles, 45-degree, going up to 90-degree, go up to the 180, 360, all about angles. We are not just a hairdresser, we are artists, we are architects. of hairdressing. So I believe in quality. Do me a favor, stand up for me, would you? Look to your left. Look your left. Move to your left. Move. All right, have a seat. Thank you. Have a seat. So, are you also designers? All right. How you doing? How you doing? Should I call a medic for you, my friend? You need a little stretching? Another thing you need to consider, Miss Lauren, is adding some glaze to your hair because it needs some sheen to it. Because when the natural color of a hair leaves the hair, and that's when the hair goes haywire. It needs TLC, a little bit color, like a lipstick, chopped lipstick. You gotta keep putting lipstick, moisturizer or something to create moisture on the lips. Same thing with the hair. Hair becomes like a chopped lipstick. It needs moisture. And I know you can do all the products, but that does not justify the moisture and hydration.
I know, I can't afford it though.
Well, you know,
How much is it?
skip the lunch, you know, minimize the dinner. You know what I mean? Because this is the only crown. This is the only crown you'll never take off, my dear. Only crown you'll never take off. This is your crown. So this.
How much is it to do,
Well, we'll talk about it. Taking care of business like a Benny man, and it shows. You know, I go extra mile for my client. And I'm here working on Sunday. I could have said, you know, I'll come another day, whatnot, but come this way, shit behind. So anyways, I'm in the frontal area and I'm lifting the hair. I can see here lighter. This area, this panel is lighter, so I'm not gonna go in, try to destroy that lightness on the hair. Wait, make it too thin. Here I have, guys, it looks much heavier, and on the roof, when the hair travels, the weight pulls it down and the roof becomes flatter. So we gotta create a little bit more movement by removing some of the hair, by closing as I'm moving out my scissors. Internal weight reduction. Create. Same here, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you get the luggage. Thank you.
Was it a
Beautiful
finish?
Sunday morning, huh?
Finish?
Not yet. See right here? I can see a little bit dusting needs to be done. And while I have the hair in my hand, I just go in, remove some of the weight. And here, we did a layer because her hair is a wavy, curly. And you can see right here, I just go in a little bit because I'm recreating this haircut for her. And here, hair too heavy because as you're on top of the ridge, you go down the slope, our skull is curved, our whole body is curved. That's why I call myself designer, not a hair cutter. Anybody can cut hair. Designing is a totally different craftsman, master craftsman. That's what I am. It takes 10 years to become a master craftsman. Or going over closer to the 40 now.
Are you cutting this
Yes, I am. Relax.
flippy part? I'm like,
There's no flippy part. Your hair is already curly. You have to blow dry and look at it like this.
I know.
I know, you know, we know, everybody know. Mario knows, doesn't know. Customer always right. Rule number 1, customer always right. Rule number 2, refer to rule number 1. 1992, I used to go to this Columbia Beauty Supply House, shopping there in Roswell, and they had the sign on the door, on the front desk. It said, rule number 1, customer always right. Rule number 2, refer to rule number 1. How about that?
I love it.
Me too. But not every customer is always right. So I feel like I'm gonna her invite gonna expire soon. She keeps me on my toe.
I do.
Okay. Don't stand up on. Leg. Let's go. So look at this. Minimize the weight line. The length here. Increase some volume right here. Create the more heavy weight, nice stronger weight line. And her side, you can see the angle, gentle movement angle, which we need to support her frontal facial structure. And you can see a big smile. Woohoo! What a smile! You must have been practicing for this smile. And then, since her hair part from left to right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go from my right, her right, to her left, and check the haircut, because you got to make sure it's balanced. Otherwise, it will be like this, crooked. You know what I mean? Balance is like this, or you do that. Variation. So she parts from her left to her right to her left. So
No, my left and
from your left to your right. Yes. Today I'm checking my haircut. See, nice. Look at this. Voila. Balance, baby. Balance. And look at that. Laura, we haven't forgotten about you, my dear. He is coming. Are you okay back there? You're double dipping. I got a color in the
Why
sink,
you-
haircut over here, and
Why
bam.
are you giving more layers here when we're trying to let them grow out?
I know there's no layers. I was taking some of the weight from it, internal weight. Shake your hair for me. Turn all the way, shake it more. All right. Stop here for a second. Okay, good. Just do that for me. Okay, just stop. Closer. You want to grow out, but not too much, because this is an ideal haircut for your beautiful petite physical structure, my friend. Okay. Another. I have a friend of mine, his name Francesco. He's a sweetheart. I told him, Francesco, what do you do? He's from Sicily. He said he does research at the anyway. I thought he was going to tell me, he wanted to tell me the restaurant. I was going to say, make sure it's making something vegan.
Are you vegan?
Oh, of course. I told you this. I'm vegan almost 9 years and vegetarian. I haven't had meat probably 18 years now. Close to 18. Maybe 17, sometimes I exaggerate. A friend of mine told me, you know how you find out if you're vegan? Because they always tell you. To come here. All right, Miss Lauren. Voila!